Is this going to be the update to Premiere Pro that brings me back from DaVinci Resolve? It may very well be. Hey, I'm Tom Graham for Envato, and I've been editing video for something like 17 years now. I started way back with Premiere Pro at like CS6, and I have a lot of love for the program, but in recent years, I've split my time between cutting in Premiere and Resolve, and I've got my reasons for Resolve, but boy, do these new updates get me excited to jump back into Premiere Pro. So let's just hit the big ticket items that have come out of Adobe MAX for 2024, specifically regarding Premiere Pro, and then I'll get into all of the key features that you can find in the 2025 version of the app available now. The biggest ticket item is Generative Extend, which is available for use right now in the Premiere Pro beta. You ever been cutting a video to a track that you have everything lined up for the beat drop, but then you have like 1 or 2 seconds of gap before that drop, you can't seem to fill it with anything usable. Maybe your previous clip is too short, maybe there's a dodgy camera move that happens right when you need the shot the most. Well, fear not, the new Generative Extend tool uses the power of Firefly, which is Adobe's generative AI model, to pretty much seamlessly extend that clip. That's video we're talking about, not just a still image. Let's say it's like a 2-second clip, 25 frames per second, that's 50 new frames generated from thin air that match the previous and next frame that actually look usable in the real world for client projects. People, we are living in the future. We are living in the future. And then to top it off, they gave us a little sneak peek at a tool that isn't yet available in the beta, but hopefully will be in the next 12 months or so, and it's object selection. It's a one-click tool that allows you to select objects in your video frame, create a mask around them, and then track that mask through the shot. It's like the best version of rotoscoping from After Effects, but way better than anything we currently can find in After Effects. The product demo looked incredibly promising, and for those two tools alone, I'm really thinking about moving back into Premiere Pro full time. This video is brought to you by Envato. Unlimited creative assets and the broadest range of categories, all in one place. Follow the link in the description and start creating now. Before we do get to the rest of the updates for Premiere Pro 2025, did you know that Envato has a handy little extension for Premiere that allows you to search, preview, download, and license creative assets like stock footage, sound effects, music, and more right in the app? Well, now you do. So check it out at the Creative Cloud Marketplace or at the link below. So Generative Extend and the sneak peek of object selection were the two big headline grabbers for Premiere at Adobe MAX this year. However, that does not mean that there isn't a whole host of other features ready to go in the app right now. These have been available in the beta for a little while now, but they've just come to the full-fat Premiere Pro 2025 release. Color management has been overhauled. There's workflow efficiencies, improved performance, and an updated user interface. For years now, we've had the ability to tweak our color correction and do basic grades in Premiere via the Lumetri tab, but Adobe has overhauled the color management system this year. And the big thing that I'm excited about is the automated conversions. It means that you can seamlessly convert RAW or log clips to your desired color space like Rec. 709. And I shoot with a bunch of different cameras, so I end up with like S-Log3 files, Komodo files, so R3D RAW files, and I've got a Pocket Osmo as well. So it means that I have a little bit of kind of tweaking to do, usually over in Resolve when it comes to like color space transforms and things like that to get this footage into a color corrected state before I grade it. So now what that means is when you bring that into Premiere Pro, upon import, your log and raw footage will automatically be converted to Rec. 709, similar to the color space transform in Resolve, but then eliminating the need to do a color correction or using color correcting LUTs, which then allows you to edit your footage in a corrected space, and then upon your picture lock, you can jump in and do your creative color grade, all within Premiere Pro. Now this is backed up by an enhanced color science, the support for a heap of industry standard cameras and log formats, as well as a range of preset-based controls for easy color adjustments. This is big news for editors who also grade their footage. It might be the end of the round trip. It's a mouthful, but I'm very excited about it. The properties panel has also been updated to streamline the editing process with context-sensitive controls for easy access to repetitive tasks. And you can now select multiple assets and edit them via the properties panel simultaneously, which is just gonna speed up the workflow. It's really good. The crop tool has been integrated under the program monitor, which is a small but welcome change. I'm all for eliminating the amount of clicks it takes to get to an often used tool. There's been improvements under the hood as well in terms of performance, with it stated as playback being 4 times faster and exports being 3 times faster, which if true and replicable in the real world is a huge update. There's optimization for the support of various codecs such as AVC, HEVC, and ProRes, and native format support so that you can import clips faster and begin editing immediately. As well as that, they've given the UI a lick of paint. It's a new design that offers a modern look with dark and light modes, as well as improvements in accessibility. There's cleaner fonts that offer enhanced readability for a better user experience, and a lot of the controls have been redesigned for a more intuitive and user-friendly interface. What do you think about these updates? What are the most exciting things that are happening right now for you, and what's on your wish list for the program in the year to come? Let me know down in the comments. And until next time, happy editing!